A man who coughed while using public transport has been executed by a firing squad. All-round scumbag Jimmy Jimison claims he was on the way to visit his poorly grandmother when he viciously attempted to clear his throat. But despite the looks of disgust his action got, the man, who is probably also a paedophile, then went on to cough not once, but twice on the tightly packed bus. Police arrived shortly after and took him off the number 34, shot him, and kicked him a few times for good measure. Penelope Petalflower was on the bus when the incident occurred and said the man was out of control.
I was just sitting quietly minding my own business. And this psychopath started attacking me with his bears.
And how did that make you feel?
It made me feel. It made me feel. I'm sorry, I can't do this.
We're here now with Lord Snaffleberry, leader of the White Kip Party. Thanks for joining us.
Well, thank you for having me.
Now, what are your thoughts on this situation?
Well, if you ask me, I think the law doesn't go far enough with these bloody hooligans.
So you believe the death penalty isn't enough of a punishment?
Quite. Bring back lynching, I say.
And do you think this would be more of a deterrent to people breaking COVID regulations?
COVID? What the hell are you on about, old chum? I'm talking about these damn blacks.